We start with the economy now. Overnight, traders are expecting an historic stock market slump to remain mostly unchanged. Futures for the three major indices are only slightly higher than they were at the close of the day. Let's take a look at the losses here. The Dow closed down more than 1,600 points on the first day after President Donald Trump announced sweeping tariffs. Still, the president is optimistic.
The markets are going to boom, the stock is going to boom, the country is going to boom. And the rest of the world wants to see, is there any way they can make a deal?
And the Trump administration is vowing that the tariffs will help lower the trade deficit and boost American manufacturing. But today's drop was the worst single-day loss since the pandemic. And it's expected to have a big impact on you and your family's finances. Our Ben Henry is here with a look at what we need to know. Ben?
Leah, we've been working to get a feel for the size and scope of the potential impact and a timeline. Economists say you could start feeling the impact on your bank account in a matter of days. The average American family of four is expected to spend around $7,200 more this year. First, President Trump's 25% tariff on all auto imports began overnight. We called around to dealerships in the metro to learn what this will mean for all of us. This impact on car prices won't be immediate. However, a Subaru dealership tells us after they go through the inventory already on the lot, prices could rise up to $3,000. And a Buick GMC dealer says with many parts coming from different countries, even American-made cars may not be tariff-proof. It's already having an impact on car shoppers.
If it's going to affect cars, I'm going to buy a piece of crap car and not a car like this because I can't afford to spend $3 grand more because of a tariff tax. I'm not going to do that.
The president also announced a 10% tariff on all imports taking effect Saturday. One of the first noticeable impacts will be on groceries. Economists say you'll see prices go up in a matter of days, especially perishables, which arrive most often, like fruits and vegetables. Prices on coffee, chocolate, and seafood are also expected to go up. The extensive list of tariffs also took a big hit on stock markets around the world. I talked to an economics professor today who described them as a bomb dropped on the economy. Here in the U.S., the Dow Jones dropped more than 1,600 points. Stocks lost $3.1 trillion today, the largest one-day decline since March of 2020. Tyler Schipper with the University of St. Thomas says it's hard for the economy not to follow market trends. He says most of the time, historically, tariffs are used as a negotiation tool, and if they stick around, there will be wider and deeper impacts.
I think it makes a recession much more likely than it was in the beginning of the year, and the longer these tariffs stay in place and the longer it sours consumers' mood, the higher that probability becomes.
Schipper says for those retiring soon, now is the time to lean on a financial advisor to see if any short-term moves would be smart. For those far from it, he says leaving those 401ks alone is smart, Leah.
All right, Ben.